how to use GoWish app, complete beginner tutorial. So of course, first you're gonna have to have access to the app itself. So go ahead directly into your Play Store and download GoWish quickly. It's free, so you don't need to do anything else but press install. But once you install, you will be able to go to the sign up option. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up using the options that you have. We signed up using our Gmail or email, but there should be other options if you want. But anyways, once you sign up, you'll be automatically logged into that account, and you'll be introduced to basically the actual app. As you can see, you have your main dashboard, activities, inspiration, and then the friends section. But the main feature you're looking for is basically the wishes, or create a wish list. You can do it here, but there's a button in the bottom of the screen where it says add wishes here. You can just go ahead and press on that. So you can go ahead and create your wish by putting in the link or the web shop link that you want, or you can create one manually. So if you have a link to whatever item or specific gift you want, then you can just paste it there. If not, then you can create your own wish manually. So name of wish, let's say you want a kitty, and then the price depends on kitty, of course. So I'm gonna put a so, and let's say you want one kitty. So if you want to put images, I think you do need to, you're gonna put a product image or whatever image you want, or for the GIF, of course. So we're gonna put in a image real quick. So we selected our image. It's gonna be this little kitty with a shocked face. You can crop it if you want. If you want to save, just press on the crop button in the top right. So you can see, you can edit it if you want, change it, and delete it if you want, and then put in a description. Let's say you want a shocked kitty. Of course, you can put whatever description you want. I'm just putting an example. But once you're done with the description, if you do have a URL for it, you can do so. But most wanted gifts are marked to let your friends know which gifts you love the most, so you can mark that as you want. So maybe you have multiple wishes. If you want to mark them as the most wanted, just press on this one, and your friends or whoever is seeing your wish list will be able to know that this is the thing or gift you want the most. But once it's done, just go ahead and press on add wish. So as you can see, you'll be able to see your wishes over here, and if you have friends, they will be able to see that as well. But if you want to see your friends wish list, you can go to the friends section in the bottom right corner, and if you do have friends, or if you've added them already, you should be able to see it. There's also activities, which is of course related to that. So since GoWish is a wish list and gift sharing app where you can create wish lists, save items, and share them with your friends or family so they can buy you the right gifts, basically that's pretty much what this app is all about. So that's the main thing, or main feature of this app, of course. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. If you want to learn more, just go ahead and explore the app since it is very user friendly. But hopefully it can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.